Welcome to Johor Bahru in south of Malaysia. My name is Rajendran. I'm working in KSC company about 13 years. Last 5 years I'm driving Volvo Trucks. My main job is sending petroleum product for every Johor Bahru Shell station. Delivering petroleum product is very dangerous. When I sit in the Volvo truck, I don't have any stress for me. So Volvo truck is very safe for me, easy to drive.
My name is Mohanafi bin Haji Mahmud, Transport Manager for KSC Haulage. So our nature of business is logistic. So we're having a contract with Shell Malaysia Trading to carry a petroleum product from the terminal to the stations. We're having 28 number of trucks in our system. Out of 28 number of trucks, 16 is Volvo Trucks. So my challenge in this business, because we are operating 24 hours, so we're very concerned about a downtime because our contract is based on the utilization hours. So I'm happy to having a Volvo truck in my system. We did a good truck, really a good truck like Volvo, to have a ABS brake system, exhaust brakes, stability of vehicles, to avoid any incident or any failure, any downtime to our shipment to the customer. After all, I'm happy working with Volvo. We're having a good product and a good relationship with all the partner team, service team, and our team.